Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, we are going to see how to send a confidential mail in Gmail. Okay, so this is one of the important feature in Gmail which I have come across while just trying to explore the Gmail features. Okay, see, see the thing. What happens is like whenever you send a mail to somebody, like you want to send some kind of confidential mail, like for which they cannot send that specific mail to somebody else. For example, suppose if someone sends you mail like email in Gmail without any special feature, means you can directly forward that email to many other people. Okay, you can forward that email to different email IDs. Okay, so then it will not come under a confidential mail. Okay, see, the confidential mail is something like you are sending to a specific person. Okay, so he or she can open that specific mail only based on some kind of authentication, some kind of like password or passcode. Okay, and that specific mail will get expire in so and so days. Okay, you can just mention that expiry date of that specific mail. Okay, see, these kind of confidential mails will definitely help you, like whenever you want to share some kind of confidential document to a specific person, and he or she cannot forward that specific mail to anybody else, so that mail will be a completely confidential between you and them. Okay, and that mail gets automatically deleted from their inbox after a specific number of days or a certain number of days. Okay, so on a like whenever you want to share some kind of confidential information, so this kind of feature will definitely help you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you like how exactly that works in Gmail. Okay, so let's get into this. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. So just imagine, guys, like whenever you log in to your Gmail account with your user ID and password. So once you enter the Gmail, like here you can see left side, you can see some of the options like compose, inbox, start, and done. Okay, so now you are going to send some kind of confidential mail to somebody else. Okay, I will show you like how to send that confidential mail. Okay, so just click on this compose option. So once you click on that compose option, so here you can see one of the option called toggle confidential mode. Okay, so once you click on that toggle confidential mode, so here you can just set an expiry date. Okay, so here you can set expires in 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, up to 5 years. Okay, so I will just try to set expiry in 1 week. Okay, so the 1 week means like that specific mail gets expired on gets expires on December 22nd. Okay, so here now I will try to set some passcode, SMS passcode. Okay, so I will just try to save it. Okay, so now here you have to type for whom you are going to send that specific mail. Okay, and I will just mention confidential. Okay, and here you will type some kind of information for which you want to share some kind of confidential information or data. Okay, so here you have to type that recipient's email ID. Okay, so here what we'll do is like here we'll try to send a mail to, I will just try to send a mail to my, so once this is done, you can just send that specific mail. So here what you have to do is like here you have to type the phone number of a specific person for whom you are going to send it. Suppose if you are sending this email to somebody else and their phone number, you have to just mention it here. Okay, suppose I will just try to mention that specific person's phone number as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, so once you send this, Okay, so once you send this, I've just taken it as some random number. Okay, so once you send this, the email will be sent to that specific person, so that the specific person, when he tries to open that email, it will ask this passcode. Okay, I will just try to take an example. So here she can see this kind of data or information. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.